If you they look me koro and you they hear me whine, I say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 for my TV, and as they talk, where you need to turn your antenna small on top of UHF 57, and you're going to get us clean and clear for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. I go just take my time and announce this one because it's a special one. Last week we given the gist we done on top of DSTV. Yes, the Eagle has landed on top of DSTV channel 259. So no excuse not to watch the action political discussion show as it hot. Those were also on top of internet outside the shores of Nigeria. We are on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We're going to discuss the matter, give you license to chook my this and talk and the TV for body, so that those who are the leaders go hear the voice of God, the voice of the people, and do the right thing to move our country forward. My name now is Ezugo Chokwode, and I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sadu when I stay concerning the political matter as it hot.
Yes, a beautiful and wonderful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry the same program coming our way. As it is hot. That political program with the sun now, they informate now with different political activities that happen for within Nigeria. Today we're not different because we can enter into a very sensitive issue. When I mean sensitive issue, they highly sensitive. Now what we going to need to collectively do it, put our mouth together, put our thoughts together, talk about it, kick against them because this thing, that's what we did very, very bad. And when that time reach, we also open our phone line so that they can also feel call. Contribute now 1/4 to the whole discussion when that time reach. Me bear in mind, say we got 3 solid telephone line for now. I want to free line, be said I will call. Now go express myself. But when it comes to the payment ticker, me not leave down for us, we not go take on the laugh. My name never to change, my name now could be. And this now As It Hot.
We always talk and say on top of As It Hot, all the issues where they affect us inside of Bodo Nigeria, now we they discuss. We know the fear, we know the shame. We go to discuss the matter and we go to talk so that those when we say that they're supposed to do the right action, they go do them. And like who could be talking, this is what we carry come. Now one when we say it go touch people's heart. If you get conscience, the thing go prick you well. And it get to do with the gist where we say the Human Rights Watch. The report where they released yesterday, 31st of October 2016. And for inside that report, what we feel conclude now say our IDP camps, that is internally displaced persons camps, the place where we say people where we say they don't lose their house, their source of livelihood, everything will make them better human being based on the activities of Boko Haram Jaguda people where they live. Say the place where they turn to Sodom and Gomorrah. Anybody will read Bible well, or will know the story of Sodom and Gomorrah, go know say plenty nyama, badness, wickedness, diseases, kind of things that they happen for inside Sodom and Gomorrah. What it cause this one? They bring out their report, say at least 45 women and young girls, they don't suffer sexual exploitation, that is, by force touchlighting. Say man, we're supposed to take care of these people or protect them. Based on say the report when they bring, they say some of them are security operatives, soldiers and police people. They can't they touchlight these girls them anyhow. Some of them don't carry belly, they abandon them. Some of them be say they don't get some kind of disease when we say don't put their life in danger. We can't ask one question, say, as Nigerians, as human beings, as government, they do the work when it's supposed to use the ensure say life of people will improve. What do we as Nigerians supposed to do to make sure say we be our brother's keeper and we love our neighbor as we love ourselves? We go ask questions. Government, they really do their work. IDP camp now 3-bedroom flat where people go stay forever. What is government supposed to do exactly? Unkubi, now you go answer that question because now government, now I go give the matter to this morning, but we go break, come back. When we go the break, come back, the matter go begin the hot on top of Unkubi head as it is hot. You hear it today. It's not sensitive any issue. It's not sensitive any issue. You people should do more for people living in IDP camp.
Let's go on.
Which break are you going for?
Please, let us go.
Please, what? Welcome back to As It Hot. Ezugo Chukudi Anunkubi still inside studio. And we talk one when we say now breaking news everywhere inside the Bodo Nigeria. IDP camps don't turn Sodom and Gomorrah. Niger President Muhammadu Buhari don't order the serious investigation into the report when we say the Human Rights Watch published yesterday. Say some of our girls, our sisters, our mama them, when they inside internally displaced persons camp or inside Borno State, say some of them they suffer undue exploitation. Based on say people they use by force, they touchlight them, they use wuru, they touchlight them. We call they ask question. Say what in government they do exactly for people when they inside this internally displaced person camp. Now the matter they even they see, I know it is disheartening, it is dehumanizing, It is degrading, it's destabilizing, it's disappointing that we have. What do they tell me say don't do?
No, I understand the height of this thing. Take them easy.
Which one be take them easy?
No, wait. Why?
What do they do? Are you people taking this thing easy?
Wait,
as a government,
relax.
are you taking it easy?
Relax.
Relax for what? That they are exploiting girls?
No, be waiting me and you agree with this.
What do you mean and you agree?
Chukwudi is my brother. No be waiting me and you agree.
Now I don't be your brother. Yesterday when you come, you dey attack me. Now attack this issue. Where be problem?
This is a very sensitive issue. No be like we could just add. We don't make we go kick against. We don't already kick against that. You and I know say this thing dey very bad.
Una dey kick. Every una dey kick. Una no go kick this one when they very important.
It's okay now.
What's okay?
It's okay. We don't understand. We dey kick. We know say na something wey don't happen.
Make una stop to dey kick. Una don kick tire. Make una begin dey pass. Una kick corruption. The 1 year now. Sabo Dasuki case. Una never kick and go anywhere. Now see, yes, don't do it. Security operative sexually abused IDPs. Shock Buhari probes IDP camps, rape claims, outrage, greets alleged sexual. Every newspaper. What is going on in the IDP camp? What is the government doing? Tell us what you people are doing. What's all this? Now I thought say this kind of thing happen. We ordinary Nigerian citizens.
You don't do now.
Every time we are kicking. Now, when I don't stop to do we shout. Now you are kicking. Continue to kick. Peugeot 544. You are kicking it to start. You are kicking it to start. What's going on? How are you people monitoring the activities of these security operatives there? No, they pay me at the verse. I'm a comrade at the verse. They pay me.
Okay, I don't hear. Don't do.
Go and tell your people. Go and tell them.
See, the issue here we say, when we get the previous government for system, we dey talk say the government they neglect the issue of these northeastern people who say Boko Haram don't do it. Okay, fine. This government can't do it. Can't try address them. Right about now, say they don't address her to the point where we say at least they will find lasting solution to the life of these people. Now here we still day. Well, they hear say about 20 people they die for IDP camps every day as a result of malnutrition and other related health issues. Now, our gallant soldiers, security personnel, were supposed to even provide safety, security for these people. It can't be our turn to do it. It can't they cause kasa. I mean, what is this? What even the meaning of all this? So now it take turn. Now our own time to take turn on top of small girls mamas people will say, hi. It's okay.
Which one be it's okay? Hi, it's okay.
I'm at the vex.
Will you the vex? Why you can't call my name inside? Why no. You hi, it's okay. You can't call my name.
After stop, I know say you go want take am back with that same aggressiveness, but I won't try calm you down ahead.
You dey calm me. Why you gonna calm me down ahead? See, Nkubi, I need to understand something.
Well,
if we fail to plan, we are planning to fail.
We know that one.
The issue of say internally displaced people for camps, na something when we say we don dey deal with for several years. But it just be like say we no get direction. It just be like say we no get blueprint on how to address this particular issue. First and foremost, e go good make we point am out, make everybody hear now say whether you be landlord today, whether you get comfortable apartment where you dey live today, if crisis happen, you can become a displaced person. No be all these people when they inside this internet displaced people's camp, no be all of them be tenants.
Exactly.
Some of them na landlord wey get property.
We get houses.
But because of the activities of Boko Haram Jaguda people to save their lives, they make many of them run go that camps. Now, what is the responsibility of a responsible government? A responsible government is supposed to ensure
you know why this
the safety of the citizens.
You know why this thing they vex me pass? The reason why this they vex me pass is say this thing not be something we just start.
Thank you.
We don't hear about this. We don't get investigative report about say then they abuse small girls for IDP camps. Now since last year.
Thank you.
Since 2015, 9 days report. January, as a matter of fact, 9 days report. Don't they do it? Don't they speculate?
What we don't do since that time?
We never do anything.
Thank you.
Now when we say a foreign investigative a foreign group. Now they can't bring out this report. We make our government come and say they want to do something about them.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, they never talk. They go talk. Say they know things they go on there.
Thank you.
Now the same thing happen during that time when they say people they die. Now until it take a foreign body to come talk unfold what happen. That our government knows. So yes, let us find solution.
Thank you.
What is the meaning of all this?
Thank you. First and foremost,
I don't like this.
Don't wait. Which one you don't like it?
No, I need to add that to it.
No. Now me supposed the vex pass.
No, you and I are vexing.
No, your vex is supposed to be lower than my own vex because for this matter, na me suppose na my vex suppose dey comot smoke. My vex suppose dey comot fire, your own go dey comot spark.
Vex no get rich.
Which one be vex? Na you, I suppose dey vex for you.
No, I understand. No, I
And so why you go dey vex wey suppose be my vex?
No, the vex, I'm the vex for you, the vex for our leaders.
Not
the same people wey.
And then all your the leaders wey you no be two of una.
Wait now, wait. That is why I need to vex my own vex as well.
But bring your vex down. Your vex come dey vex pass my own. You don't. I'm the vexer here. You are the. I'm the vexer.
You are the lower
vexer. You are the. I'm the greater vexer. You are the lower
medium vexer.
If I'm vexing, you are supposed to vex. Your own supposed slow. Okay. Because I'm supposed to put fire. Because if your people they see you, they vex this your vex, they will look say, he's just vexing normal. Now I'm supposed to vex. So don't use your vex to don't let your vex overshadow my own vex.
I should reduce my vex.
Reduce your vex. Okay. So I beg, first and foremost, it go good make we point them out like I talk. Anybody feel suffer displacing, you know.
Exactly.
Make you not think say because you dey live for inside mansion wey get high wall. If badness happen, the thing go happen.
That mansion go live around o.
And the reason why we can't find ourselves for this level now because of the way when we say plenty of us they behave for inside this country. Whether those when they inside government, whether the people. If issue first happen, we go talk say no be my problem. My neighbor house they shout.
Yes.
You no consign me. Now when Boko Haram Jaguda badness first start, even as far back as 2008, everybody don't look say na normal thing. Now fast forward to 8 years, you still dey battle the consequences today.
The funny thing is say everybody talk say yes, say no be a problem, no be a problem. It is not affecting my state. You understand? But when they look, it got to the point where we say Boko Haram no can get a specific place where they target. They target anywhere, and anybody can fall victim. You understand? Anybody can fall victim. You understand? Even at some point, we say when they hear threats, say yes, they don't approach other states. You understand? See, the just as Chico talk, the issue when crisis happen. See, if you like, make you build skyscraper, reach anywhere where you want reach. Once that crisis starts, you go abandon that your skyscraper. You are happier. One feeling. You understand? So collectively, make you kick against wetin dey bad. Now, in the same vein, Nigerians, some Nigerians are so heartless to the point. Sorry, I will say this, but some Nigerians are so heartless to the point. They don't get emotion, they don't get feeling, a sense of feeling in them. This is the same ID card where we say at least now we supposed to support. It go still the person they will give responsibility. Say carry this thing, go give these people, or probably see this food. Oh, they go say go they kidnap food, food stores from camp. Go they sell to take insurance they live a life bigger than them. What they no fit afford.
Who could be make I give if you check our newspaper today, the New Telegraph, make I cite 3 examples. One a 17-year-old minor by our law. One a 16-year-old minor by our law, and one a 18 when just attain the age of majority.
Yes.
If you check her by our law. Now see the way the 17-year-old get talk. She say a year after she run comot from Boko Haram badness for Dikwa, say she waka 56 miles.
56.
17-year-old girl, they waka. Say when she can't reach the camp, say one policeman approach her. Say the man talk say he won't be friends with her. The man they tell the man say I still be 17-year-old, I be small pikin, I don't want to. So the man can't use him, say I'm a police officer. Can't use him, force him, do him for him. Now when this girl can't get belle, he can't tell the girl, say if the girl tell him, if the girl mention his name, he go shoot him. That one and one. See the 16-year-old girl now, and this 16-year-old girl, the thing pay me. Listen to what she talk. She talk say the person when do this bad thing to her, na member of vigilante, and the person know say her papa and mama don't die. She can't talk say every time when she dey hungry, the person go give her rice and spaghetti. So because of hunger, when we natural woman feeling, that one don't look say okay hungry they catch you. Oh yeah, they collect. Now at the end he can't force her, can't do that thing to her. Now me will ask question. In this case of the first, may I even give the second, this third one, I ain't go even pay you. 17-year-old girl.
18
she
or
talk
17.
Say the 18-year-old girl. She talk say the person been first they preach to her. They tell her say make sure say your religion do and well oh everything will be alright. And she come to say yeah this man a good man. From there the man come dey help her with some kind things when we say ideally no supposed to help her with like he go give her pass make she comot for inside camp. This is the person who suppose to protect people wey dey inside camp. You don't dey give part because he get one kind plan. Now she talk say one day she can't go the man room because the man don already send the mama make he come see her own mama say I like this your daughter. So the mama even follow for the 419 abi the yahoo. Or maybe now he send the mama say he can't go, the guy can't give am zobo, he can't drink the zobo, he don't know wetin happen to her, the guy can't do that thing. Now this one show say the way when these things they go, many of these young people they're vulnerable in the sense say some of them like this 16-year-old girl went to say 2 of her parents don't die, no parental care, no guardians. What do we suppose do based on provision of government and people wey dey around na to fit help this girl be like her mama, be like her papa, provide people wey go be like mama, wey be say she go get people to run to because she no get papa and mama. Second one, feeding. Because na rice and because of rice and spaghetti, now make this
now put them for the condition where they
right?
Yeah. Because them
do this thing to this girl.
Yes.
Do this thing to this girl. So as Nigerians, when we say we rise up, see the case of Mayowa when been get cancer. When Nigerians in 3 days raise money when pass wetin she dey even dey find. It shows that we get good people for inside this Nigeria. But some bad people they want to do their badness. Now you must do everything to ensure say this badness the thing no work. And what are we doing about it?
Chukudi, one major thing we say, okay, fine, over time we don't hear government say, okay, we'll look into a particular issue. Yes, we'll investigate and I will set up committee and all that. These are some recycling systems that they happen. And in the end, a lot of all these investigated issues or probably setting up a committee to look into particular matter, they will set up people, no, we hear results. That is one. Then, hold on. Then in this case now, in the case of this particular matter, the president don't talk say, hey, he don't get shocked. Okay, fine, we understand that one. He say he go do it, he go investigate. Okay. Carry out your investigation, no doubt. But we won't know what will be the outcome of this investigation.
Thank you. Don't just be shocked.
Don't be saying just carry that investigation and in the end, we're not going to know what will happen.
Anything will happen. You are shocked. Are you a shock absorber? Sorry
that
to
is one
this.
major thing. We need to find we need to find out the root cause. Make we know how this thing take this thing. Because everybody they involved.
Must be brought to book.
Must be brought to book.
And we must see their name. They must shame these people.
Make them boldly written.
Yes.
For headline, if possible. Anywhere. Say, see the people who carry out this crime. Who carry out this thing for on top of this kid.
Thank you.
This should be done.
See.
Because Nigerians, we not go figure just the watch. Make things they happen to us.
Bad things.
More call they ignore them.
See, Unkubi, more congratulate Oga Presido as in they shocked. Because first and foremost, we don't get people, presidents, governors, when they hear bad thing, they go talk say, are you sure this bad thing really happen? Or they go on, they define them. So we even happy say we get president when we say this kind of shock
first.
Because we get some wicked people for government when we say nothing they shock them. So Oga Presido, congratulations on this your shock.
Let that shock reflect that transparency, that sincerity in you.
Thank you.
Now
after your shock now, what will be the next thing?
Thank you.
You don't give order to the Inspector General of Police
and to the
affected
state, governors of the affected state as well.
Thank you. Now, starting investigation, I beg give us dates. Tell them say every investigation where you want to do.
Make sure they bring the report for you almost
every time. We don't hear the story of 18-year-old girl, 17-year-old girl, 16-year-old girl. So these people that they exist. Get these people, hear their story. In 1 week, 1 year say we don't conduct investigation. See the people who do this particular thing. See what they do to punish them. And we must see the punishment.
Thank you.
Setting up committee. Now, our government is a government of committee. Now we set committee. All the committee when they don't set since we small, they grow for this country. None of them don't ever finish.
And that's what I was also need to talk.
Committee of,
we get human rights bodies for Nigeria.
Committee.
We get human rights bodies for Nigeria. Make them not keep quiet about this matter. Because if not keep quiet, now they do their job well.
Thank you.
Because if Oga President also say they wait for report, it is also your job as human rights groups to do it, to ensure say we not get at least the result of that. This to make you know where they carry this particular matter go to. So in the end, we will just say a case where they will sweep under carpet, and tomorrow, and that will happen. They will still continuously sweep cases under carpet until maybe just like a shot will talk. There's fire on the matter, No, until fire don't escalate, don't explode. And after you go come down and not say, we don't enter one charge.
And also all the promotional interest groups for this country. Not the only people when we say there be civil society organization with NLCO, with APCO, with PDPO, all of them supposed to come out with one voice. Make them condemn this particular thing when they happen and make them issue ultimatum. What if the ultimatum? Deadline say in 21 days. If we don't hear something about this particular matter, if they don't bring all the people who do this thing, plus all the big people when they give them protection, something will happen for inside this country in the sense say Nigerians go talk say no, we are not going to accept it. And we as Nigerians, all the talk of say, thank God I'm in Lagos, he cannot reach here. Thank God I'm in Abuja, he cannot reach here. It's their problem. We need to stop them because like we talked earlier, when wahala happen, nobody, landlord said go run.
Where you come from,
everybody go run.
You don't know where you come from. You don't know whether your part na billionaire. You don't know whether your part build mansion. You don't know whether you be Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Efik, or anywhere you like where you come from. You know they know.
So Unkubi now, you are going to face your people and tell them what they are supposed to do. Because your mouth they sharp for civil society. face your people, because I know they say when me have been the congratulate Oga Presido for the shock when he shock, I see say you bring your mouth down, make people like say now only me talk that one. So face your people now when they make them stop all this their political party quarrel and address this particular issue, because this issue is a serious issue that is affecting everybody in Nigeria.
You and I will do that.
You and who will do that? No, I've done my own. No, I've done my own. Do your own. No, I've done my own. No. Your no cannot overshadow my no.
Your no cannot
overshadow my no.
What is that?
What is what?
I don't keep quiet. They keep quiet. Say this matter. They say now it doesn't take a pass now. What do you know about that? The people they rule us. Now me they rule. No, let me they rule. They rule you. They rule every Nigerian. Let us bring out our voice collectively and kick against any where the leaders do wrong. Not because to say make us go to talk. Actually, Nigerian, aren't you be affected? Aren't you being affected by what they happen in our country?
Why you can't they change that for me?
Why don't you change that for you?
Now me shock. Now me say when they do investigation.
Why not change that for you?
Why you do this one when you use the face me? Why you don't face the person when say shock? Make they do investigation.
I want to make you do am.
I don't do my own.
Because this is not a one-sided issue.
I don't do my own.
Not my problem alone. Now general problem. If it affect you tomorrow,
it will affect you.
No, I don't give an example.
No, don't use me. Good as an example.
No, wait. No.
The people when me say the thing they affect now. If they feel like the thing they pay me.
That's what I said tomorrow.
It will affect you.
I don't say go. I say if it.
It's already affecting me because I'm speaking for these people. Now you go.
No,
it will
it's
affect
affecting
you.
me because already I'm part of the system.
If it's affecting you, oh yeah, talk to the Inspector General of Police.
You and I will do it.
Talk. Oh yeah, okay. Oga Presido, thank you. Say you shock. But we want to see logical conclusion to this matter. We want to make Oga Garuba Shehu of Femi Adesina make the issue statement before the end of today. As they don't watch as they ought say, okay, by November 5th, we go down here say, see the people where happen, and we go give people gist. Thank you. We are talking.
And the affected state as well.
Which affected state?
Hold on now.
No.
Notice, wait.
No.
Wait,
the state don't get governor.
Okay, the states of the northeast where this thing involved, Borno, Adamawa, or Yobe.
Now you don't stammer. Now you don't stammer. Me, I call them.
The governors for these states also make sure say this investigate. Me not supporting the carry out of this investigate. Make we know the true reality of this thing. Not between now they hurt some kind of people. They hurt some kind of people. Say because of this they have been our own people. We don't want all that.
Why they do like this?
No,
are you
attitude.
No, be attitude.
Na body language.
They suspect say you they use style. They do like say this is what I talk. As you they talk for your mind, they talk say this is what I talk. So why they do like this? Me and they talk and they point out and they mention them. You they call governor of the state. You call them scratch. DJ Jimmy Jat, governor of the state.
Everybody get body language.
Which body language?
I choose to open hand. They tell and say, see you. Me not do my responsibility. I go talk say I go suddenly twist my opening of hand to tell them to so that indirectly I depend them.
I've come to a conclusion. This government no get plan. I've come to a conclusion. No. I've come to Don't tell me not to say that. Don't tell me not to say that.
Don't say so.
Now, if today now by the 29th of November, if we do plus or minus, by December. January, February, March, April, May, in 6 months. We don't count 2 years when this government don't come into office now. And I know they talk about government in the sense, say, just because of saying an APC-led government. I talk about government, we get the legitimacy and the constitutional rights and responsibilities to discharge what they're supposed to do for the Nigerian people. Now, internally displaced people's camps, not be where people they live forever. You are displaced because you don't come up for where your primary place of residence because anything is going to happen. Have we started rebuilding these places? We don't rebuild houses for them. Hospitals don't they? Bridges don't they? Now today when I enter, since May 29, 2015, I think we don't talk say okay 1 year don't pass. Have we started rebuilding?
Chukudi, make you also be a
we then go back to empty homes.
May I also bring out
or destroyed homes?
Listen.
Listen for what?
Listen.
You are not giving me answer. You are telling me to listen.
I'm about to say something.
No, answer my question.
Okay, this is it. This is what it is. Chukudi, fine. You know, say I will talk say Boko Haram. We don't almost pursue them. We don't almost clear the issue of insecurity for Northeast. But then bear in mind say these people on their own part they also fight back. So make we also ensure that.
Now them make una no fit build house.
Make also
ensure that. Make una no fit build road.
We provide.
Make una no fit build hospital.
Make we ensure say we provide pure 100% safety.
No, you can't provide. There's no way there can be 100% safety.
Okay, fine. At least logically, make we provide at least some level of safety for this area
Nkubi.
before we go say we dey go do
This is a we shall
if we go dey rebuild.
This is a we
because dey see some kind this thing. Wetin you go talk?
I disconcur.
Why you go disconcur?
I disconcur.
Why would you disconcur?
I disconcur.
You ever concur?
This is
what is the meaning of that?
This is a defeatist excuse.
For who? You are.
This is a flimsy excuse.
For you, Abi.
This is a frivolous
for
excuse.
You. Both frivolous.
This is a fallacious excuse. This is an indiscriminate
all the.
This is an unacceptable excuse.
Like collect all the big English wey dey for this world, join together, Chukudi. What needs to be done will be done.
Don't tell me what you are not doing what you are supposed to do.
Relax.
With what the human rights
watch. We are still fighting.
All the international.
We are still fighting, addressing the issue of insecurity.
You will continue to fight it. You will continue to fight. It will fight with you. You will continue to fight it. No, you are fighting. Continue fighting. Continue fighting.
No, what you talk?
Continue fighting.
No. I want to get that part clear. What you talk?
What do you hear?
You say you will continue to fight with me.
What do you hear?
Wait, why direct the son? Why make references to me?
You talk say we are fighting.
Why refer that particular statement to me?
Who say we are fighting?
I said we are still addressing the issue.
And I say continue to address it.
I can't say you can't
public address system.
No, you can't tell me at me. What was that you said?
Continue addressing.
No, that is not what you said.
Nigerians go call now. They go tell you their
what was that you said?
What allow me to
it had it to talk.
Allow me to announce for now.
It fear to talk.
Fear waiting.
Say it if your name is Chukudi.
I said you will continue to address it and nothing will happen because you're not doing the right thing. What do you want to do? Okay.
We'll open our phone lines now. Make Nigerians call. Anyway, the major issue you are trying.
Tell them what they go talk about.
Yes, our phone. Make we go open our phone now. At least make we also hear Nigerian views on what we don't talk about and the way forward. Because I believe at least to an extent, it is also our own job, our own responsibility to get ourselves involved in things when they play out. You understand? Because once we come and talk, at least collective voice go also feel reach government here. Once they don't hear them, the official Nigerians are demanding for this. Okay, make we find solution. Make we start to find solution. Even if make just as if say they don't get solution in the first place. At least with that, they just okay. Make we start to look into Nigerians.
Oga Obiora, they call us from Yola. And remember, say Adamawa to one of these places. He go get solution. Oga Obiora, welcome to Asile Hot.
Good morning to Wood and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
So the citizen when I discussed this morning, they vex my spirit. Because I don't get one case like that for here where we get now. As I speak with you now. Now, one small girl, two of them. The other one, they carry and go specialist, go check them. The girl, they're pregnant. The girl, then one police officer give them.
Kai.
So as they come check them again, the girl carry HIV, join them.
Kai.
So maybe the girl now, they cry and say, she for like make it be saying that Boko Haram kill her, rather than to come enter inside this type of situation now. They ask them, what's happen? He said for camp, if those security men, they befriend you, they're going to give you food. If they bring food, you're going to get food enough, the chop. So now, but one thing I want them to say, this government where we dey now, they know too like poor people. Even as we dey speak now, this one now, people where they IDP camp for, even as we dey speak now, in Katsina, I don't forget the community. One girl they meet, 14 years old girl they meet. After they find them for 3 days, 4 days, they find out say in there for any of Katsina, as we speak now, the case they on. They say the girl don't convert to Muslim. Before the father don't read it, they say the father saying the girl don't convert to Muslim. They go marry her. As we speak now, they don't marry the girl now. Keep for one boy there. The boy they make the girl of 14 years old. Even as we speak now, the total police know about this case. Nobody they do anything about that. So when you look at this, you find out that our government nothing concerns them with the poor masses. Before you know what will happen, and then go carry religion attached into the case, everything will just die like that. So now, if you want to go to IDP camp as we speak now, they don't allow you to enter. In fact, even you are so good now as a journalist, you don't go enter IDP camp freely like that now. Most of the people that are inside that IDP camp now, they don't use phone. You cannot, in fact, they are in the prison because they don't want them to communicate with anybody. Even if you carry food now, you want to go give them direct. They don't allow you to give them food. They want them to give them where the security, where the NEMA,
make you give them something before. Oga Obiora, thank you very much for this important information. You don't open our eyes to a lot. Even you give example of what happened inside Adamawa, where also suffer plenty Boko Haram badness. We get Toye. Toye, they call us all the way from Osun State. Toye Copeland, welcome to Asi the Hot.
Toye, good morning.
Oga Toye, you there there? E be like say the network no gree Oga Toye. Abeg, if you dey hear us, anybody wey wan call.
Good morning.
Okay, we dey hear you, Oga
Good
Toye.
morning, we dey hear you.
Yes. My contribution for this matter be say, me I look and say the government just use security. You dey hear me so?
We dey hear, we dey hear.
The government just use security to take the wayo the people. Because if in 2 years' time, like you calculate, they never fit address the major problems when they worry this country. Now, which time they won't address them? A few days ago, they bring some guests where they go import them come, say, na Chibok guests. They won't use that one to placate the masses. Forgetting say the time when people they agitate for Chibok guests don't pass. Now, people they agitate for their belly. People they agitate for their children, for their wants to go to school. People they agitate for good roads when they go take worker for country. All that one, no day. Yet, now they come, they could be considered security. Even then, the one who could believe saying that them God, they even orchestrate and create this Boko Haram menace just to create a diversion. But make them know say every bad thing when they do, there is a payday for us. Because when this man come into power, we think a better person. It's make we wait, not change, not change. Instead of change for better, not change for worse. Nothing they work for this country.
Oga Toye, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk your mind the way when it's they pay you, but it go good make we point out certain things. Even though your opinion, now your own personal opinion, but we don't see certain things for our country when we say, we self don't decide, say, okay, oh, rather than they look this issue like this, why not make all of us, they reason this matter from this particular angle? We don't need to go into the issue of the Chibok girls, but our owner say, we need to get country when they're safe. We need to get country when we say all of us go to speak with one voice. And what we go to talk now to the demand for good things for inside our Obodo, Nigeria. Oga President don't talk saying they shocked. And he don't talk saying maybe the IG do something. That one a good thing because at least people I don't there. But we as a people, we as political parties, we as pressure groups, suppose begin the ask talk, say, okay, oh, which time you start, when you go finish, wetin be the result, so that we go know. Because this issue na very, very serious issue when they affect our brothers and sisters inside internally displaced people's camp, when no be their own doing or when no be their own handwork inside Obodo, Nigeria.
And one that I was going to talk, say, Oga Toye, it go there also very ideal if we correct some impression. If they talk, say, Chibok get, they go pick up some girls from somewhere. And make you also take this typical example of waiting they play out for this state as a typical example, because waiting bring out these people, waiting make the end of our IDP camps. Now because of say casualties, problems, they hit them. And you, of course, you don't fit separate that one from the cases of the Chibok girls, where they can't do it, where they also can't kidnap, and where they still hold a larger number of them as we speak. So the sort it down, now sort of say na national issue. And our president, at least let us also give kudos to him at least for the few attempts we don't also make. Because if we still do under previous government, I would probably know if achieve this feat. And we can't get a government to say yes. The issue of security, insecurity for the Northeast, they don't address them. And the issue of Chibok girls, they make very solid attempt to do it, to also ensure that these girls come back to their various homes. Now I tell you, at least the government will do something.
Very, very true. And aside from saying that they do what they're supposed to do, we must ensure, say, the reality on ground or the one we face, we also try as much as we can to see, say, we find permanent solution to the problem. For example, if you talk to people, they internally displace people's camps. If they get expiry date, in the sense, say, when you don't deal with certain situations, these people go come out because if they're still there, you're going to spend money on feeding, you're going to spend money on security, you're going to spend money on education because the children, when they're there, they need to go to school. Every day now, they see pictures of people when we say that they born children for inside the different internet displaced people's camp for inside Obodo, Nigeria. So now why we need to embark on reconstruction, build housing units, build roads, build schools, build hospitals, ensure say infrastructure there in place so that when these people come back, they don't go be like saying that they come for internally displaced people's camp, they call the enter inside airfire. Now all these things now we're supposed to do. And it has to have a plan. All these small fight about say I get interest for 2019, you they pursue me because of this. All those ones not supposed to even be our matter at all. We as a people supposed to demand more from government, and government supposed to do what they're supposed to do. And if you get institutions when they're very, very strong, every institution go do the work when we say the thing supposed to do. All this kind of news when they give country bad name, when would they expect investors to come invest for Nigeria? That is where they pursue us. We don't need all of this. We don't need it at all. We don't need it at all.
Get another caller. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, talk to us. We hear you.
Yeah, my name is Sammy. I'm calling from Port Harcourt.
Okay, right on. They hear you.
Yeah, I want to make contribution.
Right on, Tani.
To what we are celebrating now.
Okay.
Continue, Tani.
Yeah, one period we learned that the secretary to the federation diverted some material that was meant for the IDPs. What have presidents done about it up to now? I've never heard about it. Then compared to this one, they say he was shocked to see that the girls were being raped or something like that. What is he going to do with respect to that?
Okay. Oga Tani, what did they say? Make I just probably pick up from your last thing. Oga President talks say, look, okay, say you don't hear the report of the rape cases where them just released, and say in do it, say in don't do it, in go carry out investigate, and very soon once they bring out the result of the investigation, in go know the next action where in go take. You understand? But still, we got the talk. So okay, investigation and one thing. But we as Nigerians as well, just as you don't call to ask questions, if we continue to do it, to the collectively ask questions like this, they demand for at least the right answers to certain issues. At least we know, say yes, we serve, they do it sincerely, they follow any particular matter at least to the end. Because it is also our own part to do it, to ensure that we follow the matter, at least make we see the end of it. We get another caller right now with the line. Good morning.
Oga Tani, thank you for your contribution. We get somebody from Okan Daife. Daife, good morning and welcome to Asiri Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Iloputa Ife.
Iloputa, good morning.
Good morning, Sokode.
I dey greet your guy Iloputa Ife.
Yeah, quite a long time.
You don't think? We like say you don't come back.
Yeah, so you people were on sabbatical and I went on my own too.
But welcome back.
All right. Well, what we are saying in this Nigeria, earlier I watched you on the other early morning program.
Good morning, Nigeria.
Where you were emphasizing on nepotism, tribalism, religious sentiment, and all what. You see, those are things that you really need to address to get things right in this country. What is happening at those IDPs? Let me tell you, it will not stop at this. It will still continue. They will make all kind of media hours, and at the end of the whole thing, it will die down. No, we need to do more than these list services that we are playing towards things. Make the military know the people who do those things. It is easy to find out. Saying they don't find them out or say they don't come out on a line. They can easily find them within a few days. They get all of them and bring them to book. And then the government should involve responsible people to manage these IDPs. Make them involve people. They know people. We have Caritas. We have Red Cross. Such people, organizations can be involved to manage this less privilege and keep these security men just for security purposes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Iloputa, for that solid contribution. Where you don't also add up to the whole thing. And
Oga Obiora don't come back again.
Okay, Oga Obiora, welcome back.
Why I come back, they say, I want to tell our Asiri Hall fans, no be saying they do 419 for this Chibok get something.
Okay.
Because I know one woman where his daughter follow me. The woman they come to me, I know her, the counselor. So that one not true. But the thing wey make them miss everything I know. So again, I come to give suggestion on how to tackle this type of abuse in IDP camp. One, I want the government to change the security officer, both NEMA, soldier, any security officer, any officer that is working in that camp, every week. Let every Friday be changing day for every worker there, so that new people will come. Before those new people will come and begin to make friends with those people, they don't change them again. Before you know it, the life of those people will be better. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Obiora. If you say we get another caller.
No, not to go break.
Okay, make we quickly go on this break. When we come back, we're going to enter the final lap of our program. Ask Idi Hot.
Welcome back to Asiri Hot. From here we dey so now the final bus stop on top of Asiri Hot now we dey. And the issue we carry come now serious one when we say it dey make plenty people heart bleed. IDP camps don't turn Sodom and Gomorrah. This is because of the report when we say the Human Rights Watch they released yesterday, 31st day of October 2016, and they come and talk say from their investigation, 45 young women and girls they don't suffer sexual exploitation, and this one happened in the hands of security people when supposed to ensure their safety. Oga President don't express shock, and he don't give order to the Inspector General of Police so when they commence investigation sharp. But people come they ask questions say. Not be today we don't see people when say they express shock, even though he be president when say in a long time. Now he be the first one when he express shock because we get plenty for government when say nothing they shock them anymore. But he express shock. Now you don't talk about they start investigation. When we go investigate, when we go finish, we get Jerry on top of our telephone line. Okay, Jerry, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Jerry.
Good morning, Nikubi and Chukode.
Yes,
Good
we
to
hear
hear
you.
Let I answer this question.
Okay.
Who bring out this news? Human Rights Watch, are they?
Yes.
Why Nigerian government or Nigerian journalists no bring them out? Let I tell you the truth. If the Nigerian government have their way, this news for no come outside. Because they feel it's an embarrassment to them. So, like other cases, this one naturally would die. Anybody can be shocked, and issue a statement. But what will be the outcome? Let me ask you another question.
Okay.
This footballer when they kill, this 10 years footballer when they kill, you don't see anybody when the parents say that he kill him. The woman doctor when they kill say he preach for Abuja when they kill. You don't see anybody when they parents. So things like that happen, they could hide them. This one, within 1 week again, he could die down. That's my word. God bless you.
Oga Jerry, thank you very much. Even though you don't express fear, but we they believe say we go continue to talk this matter until we see logical conclusion. We get Aziz in the callers from Abuja. Aziz, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Asi the Hot. Oga Aziz, you there? Oga Aziz, don't go. I beg. Oga Aziz, no vex. Nkubi, from what everybody don't talk, we dey happy say Nigerians they react to this particular matter with pain in their heart. And I happy say Oga Obiora call back to correct the wrong impression, and he use example when we say inside. Everybody knows say Oga Obiora know they hide the mouth for issues like this, and he go talk in mind. And for them to emphasize on this one, it dey good make we also emphasize on them. Say when we hear issues for inside this Obodo Nigeria, it go good make we sit back. Think am go left, think am go right, think am from center, come reach conclusion. Conclusion, make our conclusion no dey based on say na this part of Nigeria they come from, or no be this part. Now this church, this person they go, or now this mosque. We suppose look at first or say this behavior of this person na good thing. If this person do am this way, he for dey right. If this person do am this way, he for dey right. And make we remember say person they suffer today, we talk say no consign us. Tomorrow, if it be our turn, and wetin go happen after that particular one. It be like say somebody dey on top of our telephone line. Make we collect them sharp.
Being Chibok guys, what you say, and they like doing anyhow for their camp. So those police people will be said and do all those things. Me, my own suggestion is that if they go find out the people that do those kinds, they know in fact they know what they're supposed to do about them. Let them treat them normal the way they're supposed to do. You understand? Okay, now for instance, check a 14-year-old girl, the policeman keep somebody like that for house. My brother, it's not advisable. Let Nigeria do something about it. You understand? It's not good at all. Please.
Oga Fidelis.
About it. So if not, it's an embarrassment now to Nigeria. It's not good.
Okay, Oga Fidelis, thank you very, very much for that point where you drop. We got James. James, good morning. Our last call for today. Oga James, you there?
I did.
Yes, talk to us. We hear you.
Okay. Now, wow. Man, things will happen for this country. And, the problem of this whole thing, we say, with the country, we say, we go just hear issues like this. And at the end of the day, everything will just fade out. Nobody will tell us what really happened at the end of the day.
Details, yeah.
If this person they find him guilty or not, if he's serving or anything, cases will just come and blow away just like that. Just look at this guy from South Africa. This athletic guy, we murder his wife. At least on air, everybody saw what was happening. But things go dey happen for our country. And like this other brother said, how person go there for camp? As in, we dey call it in IDP. I don't
camp,
know.
Yeah.
It sounds more like say
an enclosement.
You understand? More call na refugee camp be that. Now own country, people dey refugee camp. Why some people dey their office now? They work, they eat, they live well. You know, this now temporary place to stay. At least people stay for a while. They relocate them to some. Not necessarily they even go back to that same environment where crisis is. They can relocate them to somewhere else. Build estate somewhere else. Get these people into those places. Not places where people go come. They're not
James,
home.
Thank you very, very much for that contribution. And we're going to need to do this because we don't run out of time. I also want to thank everybody, the person who don't call us on top of this program, because I really appreciate that call. Because we always talk and say, Nigeria no be anybody country. Now we collectively will do it. They define within the happen for Abodo Nigeria. And Chukudi, and one other two I also need to talk briefly. We say, we know say yes, just as Ogadis message quickly talk, make government on their own part make sure that we see
the responsibility of government
because they make people they hear say say they also we know hear about this. They should also investigate this, make Nigerians also follow up, know thing. We'll see the end of this particular.
Our people when they for us, they talk say Nigeria and our country no go spoil until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke. Make una know those of una when this matter concern. We'll continue to talk and go prepare una for body until we do the right thing to move this our country forward.
As a matter of fact, if they give an account, they want. Tomorrow they too go remind you now. Now what do they do now? So at least.
And as we are counting for them, I'm counting for you too. Because you have to be reminding To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.